Django, how to apply conditional attribute to HTML element in template. I have a checkbox in my Django Ginger template. I want that checkbox to be checked if object boolean field is true. My HTML element looks like. The problem is, checkbox is still checked when attribute checked equals false. It becomes unchecked only when the checked attribute is not there. So what I need is, put checked attribute into the HTML element only if customer.sendsens is true. I know something like possible, but this does not look so pretty. Is there any other good way to handle this?
Yes, no template filter will do the job. Why not wrap the attribute in a conditional?
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.